For Wall Street Media, this is Marley. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't get anywhere else.
Great. We've got a lot of stuff today, right?
We do.
What do you have for us?
I have a CEO clip.
From
the Wall Street Analyst Forum.
All right.
It's Bruce Hansen, who's the CEO of General Moly, Inc., their ticker is GMO, discusses the current state of the company's Mount Hope and Hull Tonopah projects, its recently closed deal with POSCO, and its consideration of future offtake arrangements. Here it is.
Talking about the assets, again, we believe we have two large, high-grade, world-class moly deposits. The first, our real flagship, is the Mount Hope project, where we own 80%. The $1.4 billion NPV was generated in August of last year when we published our bankable feasibility study, calculated at 8% after tax. Internal rate of return on the project is approximately 37%. To our account, the reserve base is 1.1 billion pounds contained in proven and probable SEC reportable reserves. We're not just a one-trick pony. We have the second asset as well. Hull Tonopah, that was previously mined by Anaconda and Cyprus, has a resource base of approximately 600 million pounds. Collectively, we have the largest resource base of, again, any publicly traded moly company out there. As I mentioned before, we have the sponsorship and endorsement from 2 out of the 3 world's largest steel companies. In November, we announced a $70 million private placement with ArcelorMittal. Again, they own 10% of the fully diluted stock of the company. We also have an offtake arrangement that provides them 6.5 million pounds per year with a hard floor price that gives us the hedging capability to ultimately access the debt markets. In December, we announced a joint venture with POSCO, where they were acquiring 20% of the Mount Hope project for stage payments of $170 million. That deal was fully documented and closed in February. We're right in the middle of considering other offtake arrangements, again, from the standpoint of supporting the ultimate debt package, and we would hope to conclude other offtake agreements in the kind of the range of 3 to 4 million pounds in addition to per year, in addition to the deal with ArcelorMittal.
Hey, good stuff, right?
Yeah, if you weren't cheating during the break. I prepared a quiz on this one. And if you could see the screen, Doug is cheating because I told him there was going to be a quiz. I was going to ask Doug, what is Moly? But now you're looking at it. Do you know how to say it? Try saying it, Doug.
I just happen to know
3 seconds.
that Moly is an abbreviation for the element molybdenum.
Molybdenum.
Right?
Okay, what does that mean in Greek?
A magic herb with a black word.
It means lead-like.
Lead-like. Okay.
Molybdenum has the 6th highest melting point of any metal.
You are smart.
Chemistry.
Chemistry?
I tutored chemistry.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
How about that?
Tutored every subject.
Well, how about, do you know anything about these fellas?
I do. I know their mission statement.
What's their mission
Or
statement?
their most recent one.
What's their
They
most
want to
recent?
become the largest primary molybdenum producer by the middle of the next decade. And
Yeah.
hopefully they'll do that with their 2 new Nevada properties.
Yeah? I don't know that much about it.
Do you want another fact?
I do.
They have the largest resource base of any publicly traded moly company.
I like to be the biggest in anything. I think that's good, right?
We
And
know.
they have the leverage,
We know that
right?
you do. Doug follows the philosophy, bigger is better.
I absolutely do. You know, I think you need to win. I think you need to be in control. Is that what these guys are?
They are. They have the sponsorship and endorsement from 2 of the 3 largest steel companies.
They probably do, right? If they control all the
definitely do.
resources, I mean.
100%.
How about that?
That's a fact.
That is a fact.
Only
You're full of
facts from this girl.
Yeah.
You can watch the entire clip at wsw.com/webcast/WSAF6. Well, I think that's all we have for now since Doug's silently staring at the screen.
I'm just wondering how I got mixed up in this. You know?
You didn't even make fun of the guy saying Moly, and then that's how German Mike says my name, Moly, and we just laughed through the entire first attempt to watch the video because German Mike's going, Moly, what's so funny? Yeah, really probably not that funny, but we thought it was. It's also late here.
We're very sorry, but this is what you get at 8 o'clock in the evening. We have our little actress here, Moly.
Yeah, Molly's here. And I don't know if I finished the website, but I'll try again. It's wsw.com/webcast/WSAF6. if you guys are in this stock or you're looking this sector at all, please click feedback and let us know what you think about
Metals
it.
and mining, like, do people? I think people really specialize in this area, right?
Well,
like some people only, not just people that work there, investors, right? I think like a lot of people know, like, this is what they do is metals and mining and stuff. And I'd like to get some feedback and hear, like, do people own this stock? What do they think's going to happen? If they have that kind of a position in the market, right?
Yeah.
What do people think their outlook is?
Click the link right below the screen. And maybe if we look at something, we'll buy it in Covester. And they can follow us.
That's right.
Absolutely. Well, we're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us at WSMCO.com. Thanks for joining us.